In a world where digital dominates, there's a camera that transcends time, a camera that has captured moments with grace, precision, and timeless beauty. The Leica M6, an icon that redefined the world of photography. Crafted with precision and engineered for perfection, the Leica M6 is more than just a tool. It's a piece of art, a symbol of mastery in analog photography. First released in 1984, the M6 stands as a testament to Leica's unwavering commitment to quality. In an era when most have turned to digital, the Leica M6 brings us back to the roots of photography, film. There's something magical about the tactile experience of loading film, hearing the shutter click, and waiting to see how the image unfolds on film stock. The Leica M6 was designed for photographers who crave the purity of manual control. Every frame shot with this camera requires thought, precision, and an understanding of light. Its rangefinder mechanism, quiet shutter, and minimalistic design allow the photographer to blend into their environment, capturing candid moments that tell a story. But what sets the M6 apart is its intuitive manual operation. Unlike today's digital cameras loaded with countless features, the M6 strips photography down to its core: aperture, shutter speed, and focus. It allows the photographer to slow down, to truly see before clicking the shutter. Each shot is deliberate, each frame thoughtful. Shooting on film isn't just about capturing an image, it's about the entire process. From loading the film to developing it in the darkroom, every step requires attention to detail, patience, and a deep connection with the medium. The Leica M6 brings back the joy of the analog experience. The results are nothing short of breathtaking. With the Leica M6 and a well-chosen lens, images come to life with a richness and depth that digital sensors often fail to replicate. Whether you're capturing fleeting street moments or intimate portraits, the M6 gives you the freedom to create art with intention. Over the years, the Leica M6 has been the choice of legendary photographers. And even today, in a digital age, many photographers still choose the M6 for its simplicity and the creative freedom it provides. This camera isn't just about nostalgia, it's about craftsmanship, artistry, and an understanding of photography that goes beyond pixels and megapixels. The M6 is for those who want to connect with their subject in a deeper way, those who appreciate the beauty of film, and those who are willing to slow down in order to capture something truly timeless. The Leica M6 continues to inspire a generation of photographers, both new and seasoned. It's a camera that holds the essence of photography within its finely crafted frame. Whether you're just starting out or have been behind the lens for decades, the M6 offers an experience like no other. So will you join the legacy? Will you pick up a Leica M6 and rediscover the magic of film photography? Thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe and dive deeper into the art of photography with us.